There are quite a few scenarios wherein we might not get to work with an entire protractor. We have to work with broken protractor. I have a game wherein you will have to kind of use this aspect, not kind of, you have to use this aspect. So that game is this, that's this for you guys itself, but yeah. So this is to do with monster hunt. So you get to work with a full protractor as over here, and you need to shoot it down, shoot the monster down, something like that. But yes, for this you need to measure the angles which are not exactly aligned with your zero line, right? 0 degree arm. So how do we go about doing this is the question. It's quite simple. You guys would have done it with your scale as well. So the same idea, we are going to apply it here. Imagine that we have a protractor which has a marking from 20 degree, 0 and 10 and so on and so forth. All of this is erased or broken. So we have a value that is from 20 degree. Okay, so let's measure. Now actually let's measure. So we have some angle over there. We have protractor. Remember, the 20 degree is what we can measure from. So same rule here too, we'll apply the same rule. We'll try to align, so on and so forth. But since 0 is not present, right, this is broken. What is the very first value that we have? 20. So we will rotate and align our 20 with the arm. The initial arm, we will align with that actually. Okay. So basically, let me explain this on the screen, on our board actually. So remember, this is not there. So we don't have this. All of this is not there. So what is that we are doing? Remember, this is our angle. Where is our angle? This is our angle. And this is our other arm. This angle is first arm, and that's our second arm. So first arm is marked at 20, right? That's the lowest value. And this is 160, so I'll pick up 20. You can do it with 160 also actually, but let me pick up 20. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, and it's between 70 and 80. So let's go to the subdivisions, and I imagine that I extend this and we have it at 75. So I started at 20. I ended up at 75. So what is the angle? What is the angle? Angle measure. What operation should I do between them? Should I add them, subtract them, multiply them, or divide them? Correct. Subtract them. So we'll end up with 55 degree. Right, let's see this. It's approximately 56. Okay. Yeah, that's good enough. Because of the software and stuff, I didn't get an exact answer, but on a sheet of paper, you will get this answer. So what did we do? Whatever we have to work with that. Our initial arm being at 20 and the final arm being at 75. What we did was we subtracted those two values, 75 minus 20, and we got the exact measure of the angle. As simple as that. Okay, again, the same thing applies for the left hand side as well. If the opening is on the left hand side, something like this, here too, we can use that. Right? So that is how you measure an angle with a broken protractor. Same as the scale. In scale, what did we do? Wherever the measure started from, right? If it started from say 2 centimeter. So we measured the line segment from 2 centimeter. Say this is still 5 centimeter. So this entire length will be 5 minus 2, that is 3 centimeter. You guys agree? So as simple as that. It's 2 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and the line segment, if it starts from 2 to 5, what did we do? We subtracted 5 minus 2, is it not? Similar to that, we have angle measurement as well, as simple as that.